Put the 4 feet of the machine into the card slots of the table. Tighten the 4 wheels counterclockwise to secure the machine. Next, install the thread stand. After screwing the thread stand to the end, tighten through the thread stand with a 4 mm inner hexagon. Use a 4 mm inner hexagon to unscrew the 2 screws from the top of the thread stand. Put the 2 screws you just screwed off on the thread plate board. Put the thread plate board on the thread stand. Tighten with the 2 screws you just unscrewed. Take out the pins and umbrellas and insert them together. Then install it. There are 12 thread holders in total. Please check after installation.